Howdy everyone, welcome to my channel. I wanted to take a second to give a huge thank you. This channel started as a place to show the projects that I work on, things that spark my curiosity, help me learn, and just solve problems that I run into. But it's grown into something way bigger than just me. Thanks to all of you, subscribers, tinkerers, engineers, learners, and I'm thankful to see all of you join in. Your comments, questions, and support have pushed me to keep creating. Every like, every message, every idea that you have, it keeps me building, learning, and sharing more. This isn't a big production channel. This is just a hardware engineer learning online. And you all showing up means the world to me. I want this channel to be a place where it's okay to ask questions, try weird ideas, and learn by doing, even if it breaks things. If you're watching and thinking, I wish I could build stuff like this, you 100% can. I've messed up way more than I've gotten things right. But that's kind of the point. You learn from your mistakes much more than you learn from your successes. So if you got any questions, ask them. If you're stuck on a project and not sure what tool to use or what software that can help, I can be there to support it. So drop comments, leave suggestions, or even just to say hi. This channel is here to grow with you. I don't want it to just be me talking to a mic. I want it to feel like we're building stuff together. And while I'm here, I do want to say that some of this is thanks to ChatGPT. Yes, this is the digital brains behind me coming up with some of my ideas. Better ways to speak, things to try, bug fixes, and even writing this particular script, both parts of it. It's like having your own lab assistant who doesn't mind any of the solder fumes or late night questions. So again, thank you for subscribing, watching, and being a part of this. Whether you're into schematics, firmware, software, or you're just curious on how things work, I'm glad you're here. There's more to come, new things to build, new questions to ask, better tools to use, and hopefully, along the way, better edits as well. Till then, keep thinking, keep exploring, stay curious, and most of all, never stop asking questions, because that's how you will grow. Thank you for tuning in.